Thank you for joining us for the step-by-step video on how to maintain your LXT cordless upright vacuum, XCV19. Always ensure the batteries are removed from the vacuum before performing maintenance. Cleaning the brush roller. To clean the brush roller, remove the plate entirely and place it aside. Then remove the brush roller from the housing. Clean the brush by removing hair and other residue. To put the brush back in, start by securing one end of the brush roller first against the closed loop on the plate, and then insert the other end with the open loop. To replace the plate, align the top first, and then click to lock in place. Height adjustment. To adjust the height of the brush to accommodate specific floor types, simply turn the knob to the appropriate height. To replace dust bag or HEPA filter. To replace dust bag and HEPA filter, pull the front lever to release the cover. To remove the dust bag, push down on the teal lever to release plastic holder, also known as the stay. Pull out the cardboard carefully to ensure that the plastic stay remains on the vacuum. To install a new bag, insert the cardboard into the stay as indicated by the arrows. Click the stay in place by pushing it upwards until it clicks. To remove the filter, press on the clamps to release the filter and remove it. Note that the HEPA could be washed. Allow it to dry before reuse. To install the filter, first align the side farthest from you, and simply click in place. Replace the cover bottom side first and click in place. To reconnect the hose. If the wand and hose disconnect and the cuff is no longer connected to the hose, press the lever on the wand and turn the wand upside down so the cuff falls out. Thread the hose onto the cuff by turning it counterclockwise. Turn it a few times. Reinsert into wand until you hear a click. To remove clogs in the upper hose. Turn the cuff to release it from the vacuum. Lift off the wand and remove the other end of the hose by pressing on the release button. This would allow the entire hose along with the respective cuffs to come off of the vacuum and attachments to remove the clog. To maintain or unclog the bottom hose, pull out the bottom hose and remove the cuff. Remove any clog and replace the cuff before inserting it back into the slot, and put the upper hose back into the wand and vacuum. To replace the top handle. To replace the top handle, release the lever and pull out the handle. Insert a new handle until you hear a click, then lock it in place. To install or change batteries. To install or change batteries, simply lift the lever to open the housing cover. Slide the batteries until it clicks in place. Close the cover.